acidic ash. So last lesson, if you remember, we concentrated on ash's study. Now then, Alex, just so that we can recap, what was ash's study about? Dwi'n cofio be oedd acidic ash am?
It was just about how people can give the same answer as a group when they're given the wrong answers.
Well done. So it means that Ash was interested in how people will follow others in a group, and he was concentrating on conformity. So mae'n canolbwyntio ar cyd-ynffurfio. So Eiron, fedri di ddeutha ni beth di cyd-ynffurfio, pan bod yn digwydd?
Mae cyd-ynffurfio'n digwydd pan mae person neu minority yn actio mewn ffordd wahanol a hefyd yn cael ei...
Felly, amcanion gwers ni heddiw ydy fyddech chi'n gallu gobeithio erbyn diwedd y gwers disgrifio materion moesegol sydd yn codi yn astudiaeth ash. So our objectives for today's lesson is Katie, what about you? Have you got any ethical guidelines that we could refer to?
The research has to have the fully informed consent from the people who want to take part in it.
Well done, so fully informed consent. So what does this mean? So be mae caniatad llawn yn golygu?
It means that the people have said that yes, I want to take part in this study.
Well done. So maen nhw'n on Moodle, I put a video of Ash's study up on the screen so you can see it, so you can access it at home. So fedrwch chi gael mewnbwn iddo fo adra. So dwi jyst yn chwarae'r fideo I chi'n sydyn a wedyn na ni drafod beth yw'r materion moesegol sy'n codi. We'll then discuss the ethical issues that arise in Ash's study.
Ash experiment is one of psychology's oldest and most popular courses in human psychology.
So ar ôl gwylio'r fideo, beth sy'n ei licio? The work that we've done today will help us answer this question, which is to evaluate the methodology of Ash's research. And the next lesson we'll have a class discussion on the strengths and weaknesses of Ash's study. So gwers nesaf byddwn ni'n trafod beth yw cryfderau a gwendidau astudiaeth Ash. Mwy gwybodaeth, dwi jyst I atgoffa chi. Ar Moodle, dwi wedi rhoi copi o lyfr PY2. So on Moodle, I put up a copy of PY2, an electronic notebook, and in this pack. Felly, na I weld chi sesiwn nesaf. Os gennych chi unrhyw gwestiynau, have you got any questions for me? See you next lesson.